Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a response from the government amid concern that a global recession is on the horizon. Now, earlier today, I interviewed Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark, and he told me that the administration is closely monitoring the developments overseas.
The government is keenly observing international events, keenly observing what the policy action that some of the industrialized countries may take to avert the possibility of recessions, and the government remains on alert. Having said that, Jamaica is in a better place today than it has ever been over the past 30 or 40 years to absorb external shocks.
And I want to take you back to the Great Recession of 2007. The signs were there, but the criticism was that the government was slow to act.
Jamaica in 2019 is in a fundamentally different place than we were 12 years ago in 2007. We have a stable macroeconomy. We did not have that 12 years ago. We have our debt on a downward trajectory. We did not have that 12 years ago. Our debt is at 95%, debt to GDP at 95%. We entered that crisis, the Great Recession, at a debt of about 125. So we are in a materially improved position.
All eyes are on two major sectors in the economy: agriculture. Farmers, they've been suffering because of drought. And then you have the bauxite sector. The price of alumina on the global market, it has skyrocketed. And then there are jitters about Alpart's own existence in Jamaica. Sir, are you nervous about the pending quarterly economic report?
There's no doubt that the unpredictability or in the weather patterns have affected agriculture, and the droughts earlier this year no doubt have an effect, or have no doubt had an effect on agricultural output. I expect that to rebound, however, for the remainder of the year. You will recall that when we cast our budget, we cast it in the context of growth for the fiscal year of 1.4%, that we had taken into account that the bauxite and alumina sector may have challenges this year that it did not have last year, which points, Janella, to the need for us to continue to diversify our economy, deepen our economy, ensure that we have a tourism sector that is booming, we have a BPO sector, that we have a domestic sort of real estate and construction sector, and that we have a multi-pronged economy. Because the nature of life, the nature of an economy is that risk is a natural property of economic activity. There's no sector, there's no industry that can operate on, optimally, continuously without a break. And so we want to make sure that we can have a rotation, that one sector may not be doing so well, but we have other sectors to rely on. And the government is, keenly positioning the economy to achieve such an objective.